Hi there. Today we will be looking at part A, question 16, 2015 HSC Mathematics. The diagram shows the curve with equation y equal to x squared minus 7x plus 10. The curve intersects the x-axis at points A and B. The point C on the curve has the same y-coordinate as the y-intercept of the curve. So basically what we have here is a parabola, which part of it is under the x-axis and its x-intercepts are called A and B. And from the y-intercept, a horizontal line is drawn to cross the parabola at point C. Then the point C is connected to A, which is one of the x-intercepts, and a shaded area as shown has been created. Now let's see what the question is asking us to do. Find the x-coordinates of points A and B. To find the x-coordinates of any curve or x-intercepts of any curve, we substitute 0 for y. Our equation is y equal to x squared minus 7x plus 10. I substitute 0 for y. I get 0 is equal to minus 7x plus 10. Then I can factorize this by finding two numbers that add to minus 7 and times to 10. They are minus 2 and minus 5. So I can factorize like this. And each bracket can be put equal to 0 here. So x minus 2 equal to 0. That gives us x equal to 0. And x minus 5 equal to 0. That gives us, that becomes x equal to 2. And x minus 5 equal to 0 gives us x equal to 5. So the x-coordinates of A and B are 2 and 5 respectively. Now, so we can write the coordinates of A as 2, and the y-coordinate is 0, 0, and the coordinates of B as 5 and 0. Okay. This answers the part I of the question. So I write the answers here, so we might use them at the next part. So that is for part I. For part II, write down the coordinates of C. So as we see, C has the same y-coordinate as the y-intercept of the curve. So first we find the y-intercept of the curve. To find the y-intercept in the equation, let x equal to 0. So our equation is x squared minus 7x plus 10. And solve in 0 here, so we get 0 squared minus 7 times 0 plus 10, which gives us 10. So that is the y-intercept. Okay, so we know the y-coordinate of C, which is 10. Now, to find its x-intercept, because it is on the curve, we use the equation of the curve. Equation of the curve is again x squared minus 7x plus 10, and we know that its y is equal to 10. So put 10 equal to x squared minus 7x plus 10. So 10s from both sides cancels out. You get 0 is equal to x squared minus 7x. And factorize the right hand side for x. We get x minus 7. And put each of them equal to 0. Either x is 0 or x minus 7 equal to 0, which gives us x equal to 7. That means that the x coordinate of C is 7. So we can say C is 7 and 10. Because we know that y coordinate was the same as the y coordinate of the curve, which is 10. So that is the coordinates of C. So I write it here, C is 7 and 10. Okay, let's look at part 3. Part 3 is asking us to evaluate this integral. So we have 0 to 2x squared minus 7x plus 10 dx. So all we need to do, integrate each of them separately and add or subtract, and depending on the sign. So that x squared becomes x cubed on 3 minus that becomes 7x squared on 2, and 10 becomes 10x. My limits are 0 to 2. I solve in 2 first. For x, I get 2 cubed on 3 minus 7 times 2 squared on 2 plus 10 times 2. Then I substitute 0 for x, which basically makes the whole thing 0, because 0 cubed over 3 minus 7 times 0 squared on 2 plus 10 times 0. So all of these are going to be 0. So then that becomes 8 on 3 for this, minus one of the 2's here cancels out, so it becomes 7 times 2, 14, plus 20. And 20 take away 14 is 6, so you get 8 on 3 plus 6. And taking a common denominator, 8, 6 times 3 is 18. So 26 on 3 is the value of this integral. So the integral was, for part 3, was 26 on 3. Okay, and finally part 4, hence or otherwise find the area of the shaded region. Now we want to find the area of this shaded region. What I can do, I can drop a perpendicular to the x-axis from the point C, like this. And due to symmetry, we can say that this area 1 is equal to this area 2. Why it is symmetrical? Because from here to here is 2, because x coordinate of A is 2 and x coordinate of B is 5 and x coordinate of C is 7. So we have the same length here. That's 2 units and that's 2 units. And that means that from the axis you move by equal amount from the axis of parabola. Okay, So area 1 is equal to area 2. So due to symmetry, area 1 is equal to area 2. Okay, let's call this intersection of this perpendicular with the x-axis as H. So we have the area of triangle ACH is equal to half times base. Its base is from here to here, that is 7, from all the way from the origin to H, 7, and from origin to B is from origin to A is 2. So that is basically my height is that, which is equal to 7 take away 2. So 7 take away 2, and the height is that much, which is equal to the y coordinate of C, which was 10. Okay, that's the area of this triangle ACH, and that comes to 5 times 1050 divided by 2, 25 square meters. Alright, now area 1. Area 1 is the same as integral that we had in the previous part 3. Okay, so that is equal to area 1 because it is the area under the curve from 0 to A, which has a coordinate of 2, so 0 to 2. Okay, and we find that to be equal to 26 on 3. Okay, now I can say that the shaded area is equal to area of triangle ACH minus area 2, which is equal to area 1. So I can say area of triangle ACH take away area 1, because area 2 is the same as area 1. And I've got the answer to all of them. So area of triangle was 25, and area 1 was 26 on 3. That will give me 75 minus 26, and that will be 49 on 3 square units. And that concludes our answer to this question. Thank you for watching.